Okay, I filmed a clip from outside, but it was no good. This is better. There is a saw-whet owl on the tie cable in the hay barn. Maddie is trying to get quality owl pictures. Was in here last night too, but we couldn't get a picture of it. I think it's eating the house sparrows, which I'd rather have small owls than house sparrows. Well, we got to be really hard up for content now. Here's a 2-year-old dishwasher. Here's the micro switch that causes the E4 code when the 2-year-old dishwasher floods. This is the cheap hose from the washer motor pump that split and causes that to happen. These are the horse trimmers that are useful for cutting off the stupid clamps that go on there. That's 1.125" ID. I don't know, I'll go look in a garage if I got something. It's pretty soft. That is 23 degrees above zero. So, if nothing else, we can be happy about the temperature. Hey, it's running. The towel is just, has so much water in the door, it's still dripping, but it has nothing to do with the leak. We'd have been aired out a long time ago if we still had that, so. Cody did have to run to the parts store and find me a undersized radiator hose. We cut a chunk off and made it work. It's better than a new dishwasher. It's better than washing dishes by hand. Okay, there's a little sub project. Well, Saturday morning. That's how much snow we got right there on the top of the 40. 1.5 inches, but it's so fluffy, it has no weight to it at all. So we're gonna make some wood. It was 4 degrees this morning for a low. It was 5 when I came down here, so it ain't warming up fast, but not bad. Those are started right up. Well, those two there will make a tractor bucket of wood just about. Getting at a size there, we're gonna have them with the wood splitter, but these are going in the pile for next year anyway. I could burn them if I had to. That one, a good one behind it, the one right on the corner of the trail. That big thing back there, that's dead. The one next to it's losing its bark. There's 3 blowdowns. That one's pretty big. From the big straight line wind. That's all over in here. Couple little ones there. There's more behind us back there, good ones, but we'll grab these first. Get this packed down. I can probably improve the trail back there. I can take the tractor right back to that in a weekend or two, but there's way more here than I'm gonna mess with this weekend. This the butt they'll clear up in 4 feet, but lovely stuff. I might pull these one at a time, I don't know. This one I gotta get out there. Alright, I got that thing cut in half right there because it's behind a stump, of course. I'll come get that one next, but I'm hooked on this blowdown now. Cut it off a little way up the tree. I'll pull this piece out till it's wood. I don't know, first gear, we'll see if this comes out of here. I want to get that out like here where it's easier limbing. If it won't pull, it's got another, I don't know if that, I think it's a spruce blowdown on top of it. I don't know how interwoven and snowy this is going to be. Yep. Well, that's cute. I should have thought of that one. Alright, I gotta do some juggling here. Yeah, it's got nothing to do with that. I didn't think it did. Another thing I'm gonna do, as soon as I get these done, then I'm gonna start cutting them up out there, because that'll be eight stringers. That's plenty for me to make wood today. They're decent size, but this is the way this was when I got it. I've never touched it. So on that first skid, I split that cold shut, lost my grab link. This one is slipping with this cheap Harbor Freight chain there. Say that. Yeah, find this one was fine, but now it's gone. Believe me, I looked. Probably went flying 10 feet in the woods somewhere. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on here. Maybe I'll go to town later and dream up. Or before I skid wood next time, I gotta get 2 decent hooks on here. So yeah, this thing is just locked in. It ain't gonna pull. All them big limbs, I'll go snip them and top this thing where it's under that other blowdown. I think that's what the problem is. We'll get most of it. Well, there's the 4th load. Some spongy butt pieces in there, but this is going in the next year's pile anyway, so it'll dry this summer. A little bit left over. I put it in a pile so it ain't frozen to the ground. That's the tops there. There's at least another dozen dead tamarack right there in front of me. 150-foot skid. And there's a few more scattered through there. 10, 12 spruce in there. So I've been at it like 3 hours, including eating raviolis for lunch, so that ain't too bad. I'll bring this back and we'll see if I make any more tomorrow.